I tried to put a radio in here, and it's like, yeah.
It's like, yeah, I don't like it with no radio.
Yeah, it worked, but like.
What, like barely? It cuts in and cuts off?
It barely worked.
But yeah, it feels just like a motorcycle. It probably pulls a hell of a lot harder though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rocking the old school Beetle. And oh look, another Miata, look at that. So this is lifted.
Yes.
And this was a K swap?
Yes.
K24?
K20. So it's not as much torque, but the power band is like, 9,000, 8,500,
8,500.
But I wish I could. Should be kind of warm, you think?
Oh, yeah.
And I wasn't even on it. Like that's short shit.
You weren't even on it, but at that point I'm just like, okay, I have to look back.
Yeah, this is 730 wheel is you really need to make sure everything is really need a roll cage. Honestly, I'm thinking.
This shit ain't saving you from nothing.
No.
Dear God, you roll. This is like my Miata. If I roll, I'm gone.
Take it to like this box.
Yeah, he's got practice at it. Trying to get ahead of this guy. I'll give these people some credit though. When I was on the highway fucking hauling, they actually moved out of the way.
Yeah.
I was flying up on somebody from like maybe 2 miles back. And they moved out of the way. I'm like, holy shit. Like finally, some common courtesy. Some people in Oklahoma, they'll be like, yeah, I see you coming.
on the dyno, and when you strap it down, it was like eating them up on the side. So,
Yeah.
and I rolled the fenders already. So,
Oh, you rolled them already?
yeah.
Yeah, after all this shit, I'm probably just gonna go over to Academy and buy that gun. So I rode up
Academy?
Yeah, I rode up there with my bike and I was like, ooh, y'all got one. Oh, wait, no, don't take it off the shelf. I broke my bike. I don't want to ride down the road with a rifle slung on my back. Not yet. I ain't that bold. Honestly, I probably should have.
Yeah, Academy is this way I want to go.
Just the Academy in Gaston.
I'll go this way.
All the other ones don't got them.
Which way I want to go?
Yeah, whenever I get that in, if I can't find anybody to do that swap for me, or if it's too damn expensive, I'll just get a storage lot, a storage garage. Car shop?
Yeah, driven tuning. Yeah, it's I like it because it's different too. Like, it's because the Hondas are just so hard to, like, you know, have front wheel drive. You know, so the feeling is different for a Honda motor in the rear wheel drive setup.
Double check.
Oh yeah, they're out there.
Chilling.
Yeah, they're out there.
How to describe this thing? I'd say it's untamed.
It's pretty raw. Huh?
It's raw.
It's pretty. Yeah, I think my wife got in here one time.
15. Everything on top of this extra.
Spin around, buddy. Street tires, you can't do that. You don't know.
You're breaking me.
It's pretty quick though. It's
oh yeah.
It's pretty. Like 7. I mean, we'll see. Let's say you want to do it or
do what?
The 700?
Huh?
Like 700 wheels?
Oh no, not me.
Oh, you want
300? I'm good.
Yeah. That's like 6th gear. I mean, it's
ready. Yeah, launching this thing.
Huh?
Launching this thing be wild.
Yeah, because it'll just like shoot flames and then it'll just. But I don't want to. It's 500 horsepower axles on it.
It's what?
500 horsepower axles.
Oh, it'll snap your axles.
Maybe.
If you unleash all of it, yeah.
If it's